video, I'm sharing with you all the behind the scenes of your girl making McCall's 8223. I'm making view C in a size extra large. This pattern is rated as easy to sew. Welcome to my channel, Denise the Sloth Sewist. It's your girl, Denise. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Fans, it's your first time clicking on my video. You haven't already done so. I hope that you consider sticking around by subscribing to my channel if you like any and everything about sewing. I'm talking about hauls, thrift hauls, pattern hauls, fabric hauls, me-made reveals, behind the scenes content, and any and everything that's going on in my craft room, and you're interested in knowing the latest pattern and fabric sales, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my content. Welcome new subscribers to the channel. I'm so glad that you all decided to join the channel. Thank you all so much in advance for liking, sharing, commenting, and returning to watch another video with your girl, Denise. In this video, I'm sharing with you all the behind the scenes of your girl making McCall's 8223. I'm making view C in a size extra large. This pattern is rated as easy to sew. Now, I'm not doing the contrasting fabric like it states on view C. I just happen to like view C, and I'm using this beautiful cotton and polyester fabric to make the pants. And this is one of my husband's big bruh DIY homesteader here on YouTube suggestion about using this beautiful turquoise fabric to make view C, what the model is wearing. Everyone, I made it to another Friday Sews, y'all. I'm super excited to be here. I want to show you all the behind the scenes of the making of McCall's 8223 view C. I'm making with the view that the model is wearing in a size extra large. I want to show you all a little bit of the steps, and I hope y'all stick around for the final product of when I test everything and try them on. Let's get into what I'm currently working on. Several days later, and I'm back in my craft room. Well, today I'm about to begin assembling McCall's 8223 view C. Now, this is the option for contrast fabric. However, your girl does not have any contrasting fabric. I do, but I don't want to make it contrast. I want to keep it all the same color. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you all some behind the scenes of me attaching pattern piece number 1 and 2 together. The thing we're going to do is grab your pattern pieces 1 and 2. Make sure you have cut 2 of each. And we're about to get into assembling the front. Here we go. So I went ahead and marked my pattern pieces so I do not get them confused with others. So here you will see a 1 on pattern pieces number 1. And on pattern pieces number 2, you will see a 2 on it. Now I have pressed the fabric, but this fabric is doing its own little thing today, y'all. So it is what it is. So I'm going to attach 1 and 2 matching the smaller dots. Transfer your dots and your markings. And once again, I have numbered mine to help me keep up with which pattern piece is what. Sit you all so y'all can see, okay? So I will grab 1 pattern piece of 1 and 1 of 2 pattern piece 2, and we're going to begin the process. This is my first time making this pattern, so I'm super excited to see how it turns out. And I'm bringing you all along for the journey. Okay, here's 1, and here's 2. Here's 1, and as you know, it's right sides together. Pattern piece 1. This is the right side. How do I know? I put the number on the opposite side. And this is pattern piece number 2. match that up. So glad, y'all, I did it like this. Okay. Grab my pen. Locate my dart. Locate my dot and match it up. All right, take a pen. Dot. First one. So we'll look off on that dot. Attached all the pattern pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I am attaching the front to the back. Matching seams, matching the crotch area, and I'm going to stitch everyone from here all the way down to the bottom of the pants. So let's get started on that. If you hear the background noise, my guys, they're gaming. You are going to see me switch my hair up in a minute, put it in a ponytail so I can actually sew. Got some new glasses yesterday, and I'm super excited to see how they work with my sewing. Because I'm going to tell y'all this, your girl could barely see like that. I could see, but let's just say I needed some extra help. And my optometrist was the bomb. I'm telling you, girl, what she needed. How it's going to benefit me. Is 60% cotton, 40% polyester, machine wash warm light color. So this gives you an idea of what kind of fabric it is. It is linen room essentials that I'm using. So if you're looking for a great way to make a garment and you really don't want to, in my opinion, break the bank, you can go and check your linen closet, find some fabric that you can use to make some clothing out of it. You can purchase some fabric as well during the sales that I announce here on my channel. That's an option as well. Okay, so we're here. So now I'm going to take this to the sewing machine. I'm going to stitch from here all the way down using a 5/8 of an inch seam allowance. So let's come on over to the sewing machine. So for everyone, I have attached all of the panels. I have put the little bordays in there, as you can see. And now I've attached the front to the back. One panel, one huge panel. So you will need quite a bit of fabric for this. This right here is going to be the back portion of my pants. This is going to be everyone. Before my phone lost memory, I was showing you all of the different way I'm going to attach. This is the crotch area. I'm going to attach the 3 notches means the back, and the 1 notch is the front. So I'm going to work on attaching that. So y'all stay tuned for the final reveal that I'll be giving here on my channel sometimes next week. Thank you. My motto is keep trying until you get it right. Denise the Sloth Sewist. Thank you all so much for chiming in for the quick, brief look into behind the scenes of the making of McCall's 8223 View C. See you all in the next video coming your way next Wednesday. Thank you all so much in advance. See you all then. Bye-bye. Have an amazing weekend.